In this video, we'll show you how to add Apple CarPlay to your vehicle.
You can use all the apps. The audio obviously goes through the car's auxiliary from the interface. But basically any app you select, you go into it and you just control it. So let's check out, let's say, tune in radio. You press enter and it opens up the app. On the bottom, you got your main menu, you got your music apps. So first, let's go into the music apps. Whatever apps are compatible with Android Auto, you can install on your Android phone. They will automatically come out here. For this, we're just showing you simple Chromecast. This is the Chromecast, and you can mirror anything you want from your phone. You can connect any device, wireless or wired, to HDMI.
Land Rover LR2, years 2008 to 2012. All NavTool products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs.
Okay, so you will control everything using the supplier remote, right? It's mounted to your steering wheel, as we showed you previously. So, as you can see, you just got to follow this blue highlight. This remote is a replica of the same remote or the same controllers you can find in BMW, Mercedes, Audi, all vehicles without the touchscreen. CarPlay and Android Auto natively support joysticks. So this is how to control. You go right to select the apps, and you go left. All right, so let me show you from the beginning. So this is your factory screen, right? To get into the NavTool, you press and hold the button. Now you can select different options here, and they're going to highlight. So it highlights all the available options for us. And we want to go into CarPlay and Android Auto and press enter. Now we're in the CarPlay Android Auto. To leave this menu, you can go ahead and press here. This is the exit, and it's going to exit out. To enter back, just press here. You can use all the apps. The audio obviously goes through the car's auxiliary from the interface. But basically any app you select, you go into it and you just control it. So let's check out, let's say, tune in radio. You press enter and it opens up the app. All apps run from your phone, and you never have to worry about updating this CarPlay. Today or 20 years from now, whenever CarPlay is updated inside the iPhone, it will automatically be transferred in here. Whenever compatible app is released, it will automatically appear here. And you go into local radio, and basically whatever you want on the screen, it's going to go in there, and we can play any application that you want or whatever is available in here. To go back, simply press back, 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 back. Alright, we got obviously our phone application. So go into phone, and you got all your favorite recent contacts keypad. You can actually dial a number. If you want to go dial a number, you can go over here and dial any number. So if you want to dial 555, you know, for example, 1 2 1 2. You can go ahead and call, and obviously it's going to call, and you can hang up. Now also what you have is your 3 recent applications here. This is your back button. Obviously you have your 3 recent applications, so phone calling, tune in radio, and maps. It's your home button. This is your Siri button right here, so you can talk to Siri. And basically, so Siri, up, down, left, right, enter, back. So you can pretty much go into any application. How about we go into Waze application? This is regular CarPlay, same as found in any car on the world.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.